Riri ruhonge rwa kuramata na kurora uigiriki wa ukui NTSA rugumirwo ni mathiina matiganite na akenya kuoneka ta matete mwihoko na ruhonge ruru. Minista wa ugitiri wa thi-ini ndagitari Fred Matiangi niougite ni agutigerera ni ahurana na mathiina maya. Matiang'i ni acungite Muhera kuri akenya kuumana na kwaga uigiriki kwa ruhonge ruru muno makiria hari kwandikithio kwa ngari kuria ngari makiria imwe cionekete kuheo namba imwe.
I am sorry now that this institution is in our ministry. The buck stops here. I take responsibility as the Cabinet Secretary for Interior. I am sorry for what happened in relation to the double registration of a motor vehicle by this organization.
No na gukiri uguo Matiang'i ni athingatite kuga uhoro uyu ndukwiyumiria ringi na kuheana kiraniro gia gutigerera motungata maya ni magacira.
But I do not intend to apologize again. I do not make excuses for responsibilities that have been given to us. His Excellency the President has been very clear and categorical with us and insisted that we must do the right thing in providing services to our people.
Na niguo kugacirithia motungata na uigiriki thiini wa ruhonge ruru, Matiang'i ni anireire gutabania mogaruruku niguo guthengia mbeu njuru thiini wa ruhonge ruru.
Obviously, from what I have seen and from some of the things that I have now been made aware of, this organization needs restructuring. And I want to assure you very plainly, we will clean up. We will reorganize this institution and we will make sure that this institution provides the services, especially the regulatory functions it has to fulfill to the country in the transport sector.
Ihinda-inĩ o rĩu Matiang'i ni anireire ati bodi njerũ ni ũmbĩtwo harĩ kũramata rũhonge rũrũ kuria Minista wa ukui na waki acabithĩtie marĩtwa mao ngathĩti-inĩ ya thirikari. Aria mari bodi-inĩ no ni hamwe na John Dege Obwacha, Catherine Njeru wa Weru, Alice Chepchuba Chesire, Francis Karinya Muogo, Moses Derito Gashemi na Mishek Kededa.
I first congratulate the new board that was unveiled yesterday, and I am looking forward to meeting with the new board on Thursday.
Kubo kwa bodi ino njeru gukite o ihinda inini thutha wa aruti wira atandatu thiini wa ruhonge ruru guikio ngono gukirikana ni manyitanire ari kwandikithia ngari ire ahuthikire ni itoi iria ciatharikire mukawa wa Dusit D2. Kiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.